My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. They're short, they're sweet, and they're usually under 5 minutes. I give you all the information that you want to know to make an informative decision. I've worked around 10,000 cases. I worked at IRS for about a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. I'm a national figure on the IRS tax resolution scene nationwide. I've been, I don't know, on all 5 or 6 major stations. Anyway, today I want to talk to you about, can you go to prison after an IRS audit because of what the audit disclosed? It's a question I get all the time. Prison is on the people's minds for cheating in taxes. So let me get right to it. As a general rule, the answer is no. Generally, when IRS starts a criminal investigation, they have information about you, and they have to develop that information themselves. If you willingly give IRS the information, you're pretty much prosecuting yourself by turning over that information. So the information that you've given to IRS, they really can't use because you voluntarily given them that information. It wasn't under attorney-client privilege. So generally, your answer is if IRS has audited you and you've given them all the information, you're not going to go to prison, but you're going to pay a lot of penalties and interest. There's a lot of fraud penalties. They can put fraud on you, gross fraud, negligence. They can accuracy penalty. They can load you up with penalties, but you're not going to prison. Also, you should know, as a former IRS agent, people say, when do I need representation as an auditor or audit? What do I need to do? If you got clean records, you don't really need anybody to go into the audit for you. You can just go in yourself. But if you have skeletons in the closet, I'm going to write this down here, representation for audits. But I just want you to know, if you've got skeletons in the closet or you're not sure, there's some scary stuff, you got to be really careful, because IRS can expand that audit to 3 years and in some cases even 4. So just be careful if you're audited, not just because I'm a former IRS agent. If you want representation, you're not going to beat a former IRS agent auditor. There's just no way. They know everything there is to know. All these attorneys go blah, blah, we can do this. CPAs, blah, blah, we can do that. Enrolled agents go blah, blah, we can do that. But at the end of the day, when you worked at IRS, you know the procedures, the methodologies, and you know what the agent's going to do well before they stop working the case. You ever need help on an audit? Give me a call. You want me to do a YouTube video? Leave it in the comment section. You're not going to go to prison, so don't worry about it. Have a good one. Nice day. By the way, if this information was helpful, leave me a subscription, because YouTube values subscriptions. Thank you.